In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to delete BeReal. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your BeReal app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your BeReal account. Now here you can see your BeReal posted. Now below the BeReal, you can see the time given. You just have to tap on that time and address given. Now here you can see different options. On the bottom right corner, you can see this option. Tap on it. Now tap on delete my BeReal. Now here you have to give reason why do you want to delete your BeReal. Here you can choose any of the option that is suitable for you. Here I will be choosing this option of I don't like my BeReal. Now at the bottom you have to tap on this option yes, I'm sure, and then again tap on delete. You can see that I have easily deleted my BeReal. In this way, you can easily delete your BeReal. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.